If you're looking for additional storage inside of your truck bed, look no further than the 36-inch truck side toolbox by UWS. With its low-profile matte black design, the 36-inch truck side toolbox has a rugged look and makes a practical application for your vehicle. This box won't block your field of vision, but it will keep out moisture, dust, and dirt. With its patented rigid core foam-filled lid and a one-piece aluminum build, this box is strong and can withstand the elements. The toolbox mounts on the inside of your truck bed rails with a lot of room underneath to stow away bed contents. The universal design allows the toolbox to be mounted on the driver or passenger side of your vehicle. Check out this lockable push-button operation. The lock is made from a stainless steel construction, plus it's relocatable to the other side of the toolbox. The lid self-opens to almost 90 degrees, making it easier to load and unload your tools and gear. UWS offers multiple box sizes available for a custom fit specific to your truck application, and they're all assembled right here in the USA. Installing the boxes are pretty simple. Find the best spot for the toolbox, drill a minimum of 2 holes through the box and into the bed rails, secure the box to the bed rail, then attach the legs or attach the adjustable legs like shown on this box. Tighten all the bolts and screws and load her up. If you're interested in purchasing the 36-inch truck side toolbox by UWS or looking to have one installed, check out the dealer locator below. And subscribe for new product videos every week. Thanks for hanging out, and we'll see you next time on In the Garage.